Vivo V40 Pro 5G. So yesterday I made a video about the Vivo V40. I will leave a link to that in the description box as well as here in this iCard section. You can directly watch it from there. Let's start with this mobile features. First we'll talk about this mobile price. We'll go into the display. We'll talk about the processor, the camera, battery and everything. Starting with the price, this mobile comes with a in different variants. First of all, it comes in a 8GB RAM 256GB base variant, which was priced at 49,999 rupees, almost 50,000 rupees. It is available in Flipkart right now to buy. So let's start with the display size. It comes with a 6.78 inches of full HD plus resolution AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate display, which supports HDR10 plus. And by the way, this mobile comes with a 4500 nits of peak brightness support. When we talk about the processor, this mobile comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus, which is a 5G 4nm based processor. When I talk about the 5G, it comes with almost 8 5G bands. So this mobile comes in different storage variants like 8GB RAM 256GB internal storage and 12GB RAM 512GB internal storage variants. These are UFS 3.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X RAM types. So when we talk about the cameras, this mobile comes with a huge camera strap. It comes with a triple rear cameras, a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera with and also the 50 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera also with the OIS, optical image stabilization. For the front, it comes with a 50 megapixels of main wide angle selfie camera. Totally 50 megapixel cameras in this mobile. So when we talk about the battery, it comes with a huge battery, that is a 5500 milliamp hours of battery, and it supports 80 watts of fast charge through wire, and it also supports reverse charge, but it does not have any wireless or reverse wireless charge features, so that is a setback, I think. And when we talk about the other features, like this mobile comes with the IP68 water and dust resistance support. This mobile is available in 3 colors. Those are like blue, white and gray colors. And when we talk about the operating system of this mobile comes with the Android version 14 out of the box with the FunTouch OS 14. When we talk about the box contents, this mobile comes with the mobile itself, TPU case, charger, 80-watt charger, and a Type-C to Type-C cable, SIM tool, and some quick start guides and stuff like that. When we talk about the connectivity, this mobile comes with the Wi-Fi 7 tri-band Wi-Fi support and Bluetooth 5.3. It also comes with the NFC feature. And when we talk about the multimedia, this mobile comes with a stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack like all the mobiles which are releasing these days. So these are about the features of this mobile. So this mobile is available in Flipkart to buy right now, so you can directly go to the Flipkart and buy it from there. So that's about the video, and hit the like button and also the subscribe button.